Domo's really given us different insights into the business and allowed us to create direction for the members of our entire team.
Productivity is picking up. Our business is up. Our revenue is up double digits the last 2 years. Everything changed with Domo.
Lencore Acoustics is the leading provider of sound masking, audio, and paging.
Really targeted at corporate office environments, government facilities, healthcare facilities.
Anywhere there's commercial buildings that have people in them, we cater to those markets.
One of the things that Lencore has always strived to do is make really good data-driven decisions. And prior to having Domo on board, we struggled in order to generate the right reporting, the right data in order to drive our business.
Life was a little bit hectic before Domo.
I used SAP, and I'd really have to go and do the mining myself to find the information that I needed.
We used to have a cutoff time of 3 p.m. because we needed to make sure all the orders were shipped and then throw it in a report.
Dump it into an Excel file and try to build graphs.
Run another report to tell the executive team, this is actually how much money we made today.
It was really difficult to see where we were having successes and where we had opportunities to improve the business.
Today with Domo, the information that I'm looking for is at my fingertips. The data is there, slice and dice it.
Lencore is using Domo to track an enormous amount of data.
Domo allows us to track each individual region.
Our purchasing team is receiving reporting packages related to how many products we've shipped from our warehouses.
Domo updates every 15 minutes as an order comes in and it's entered into our system. Domo picks it up. We can actually run a report at any given time of the day.
The whole executive team, engineering team, purchasing department, finance team, as well as sales team, they are all using Domo.
We set those different criteria for each of our departments, and Domo allows us not just to see the data, but to visually represent how those different departments are performing.
Domo allows me to pinpoint specific orders that I need to address.
Each of our sales managers has their own personalized dashboard where they can track the journey of the project from the moment we receive the quote till the moment where the product is shipped.
Using Domo's mobile app gives me real-time information in terms of revenue, in terms of quote activity, in terms of individuals and how they're performing.
Whether I'm on the road traveling and need to understand what's going on with the business, or if I'm at home and I just want to better understand what's happening with sales orders for the day.
The ability to access the information has made our folks in the field, who I'm responsible for, a lot more productive.
Domo is now allowing us to look at trending information, what our averages need to be, what our target should be.
Domo gives you the ability to have immediate information on reports. It does not take that 2 to 3 hours anymore to get the information that we need.
We now have expediency in terms of the data.
Domo is going to give you tremendous insight, not only to help you manage the business, but allow your team to quickly identify where you're winning and where there's areas of opportunity for improvement.